Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're going to show you me and my friend Blueberry again. Anytime I log on, she asks me to make a video with her. So, yeah, no offense, Blueberry, if you're gonna watch this, no offense, but you actually do that. Like, I log on, you say, hey, you wanna make a vid? And, like, bruh. So the first, number one, flying around. So, how you fly around is basically, so you start here, and look what she does. Look. Don't do that. What you do is you run like this pointer thing. Oof. We're like both failing it. Wait. So you like want to run at this pointer thing at an angle and then get underground and then like once you're underground, don't click O like lots of people show you. Don't click O like that. Don't click O. You only click O when you're actually in the air to take a picture. I almost made it. Oh, guys, are you seeing this? I'm going underground, so that's the stage of the fly. That's the stage of flying where you go underground, then you get launched up. Flip, flip. Okay, let's try again. Do. Oh! See, guys? Look. Boom, and I fly. I fly. Woo! Okay, that was the tiniest fly in history. Give me a bigger fly. Next thing. Teleporting. So again, guys, you want to stand here. Not stand exactly here. Get as close to the wall. As close to the wall. So what you want to do right here, as I said, just get as close to the wall. Dismount. Oh, not that way. No, not that way. And dismount. Bruh. Okay, come on. I'm trying to. No! Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe if I do this. OMG. Oh my god. Come on. Oh. Oh, did you see? Did you see that? Literally, she just dismounted and then teleported. Okay, let me see. Do it. We teleported! Woo! We literally teleported. Walk, walk creepily down the stairs. There she goes! There she blows, glows, goes, I don't know. Oh, jeez. We're gonna have way too much fun. Whee! Next thing. So, no. Okay, so mount your horse. Stop the teleporting. So, follow us up here. So this is called glitching through the building. It's not actually a glitch. It's just something that Star Stable has not fixed since they ever made the game. What you want to do is you want to go through here. As you can see, right here, just right here. Like, just you think, what? There's no glitch here. But that is where you're wrong, my friends. What you want to do, walk up this staircase, turn halfway so that you get onto this railing, and keep walking and turn straight into the steps. Boom! Oh, wait, where am I? Oh. And then this is actually a cool thing because you can like have a hiding place and you can buy pets. Like, you can have a hiding place and you can buy some pets. Oh my gosh, sorry guys, I'm so stuffy. Freedom! Gee, oh gosh. And then there's also just another little secret. Oh, and then you can go through here. Oh crap, 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 croap. Ugh. These spots are perfect for hide and seek. How do you get out? How do you get out, you may ask? Well, just go through here. Go through. There we go. Wait, oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh my god. You can't get out unless you call for pickup, so we can't get out. So we can't get out. Now I'm out, and so okay, there we go. Here she is. Oh, the other direction. Huh? Excuse me. So, what you do is just like you're casually cantering and you're not gonna do anything. Then you see this side of the stables. That's an opportunity. So get as close to the wall as you possibly can. Oh my gosh, why is it just dismounting us on this side today? Okay, try to get as close as I possibly can. Oop. Eep, 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 oop, up. See, she just went in. Did you see that? Woo! Boom shakalaka. Wait, what? Oh gosh. Help. 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 Uh, help. Help. Like, I'm gonna try again. Kind of where she went. There we go. So that's an easy way to get out. You can just, because easy through here, you can see your horse's saddles that help you mount. Oh wait. Oh crap. At least in here it worked for me. Oh flip, oh flip, oh flip, oh flip, oh flip. Frida for the, oh my gosh, why am I so obsessed into singing? Sorry if I'm annoying you guys. Hi. Bruh. She's like, bruh. Sorry guys, I'm getting addicted and playing with my putty. Cause yeah, I got putty. And it's really addictive and hard to put down. Okay, so when I checked the video, there was one more thing left. So because I got these ideas from a video, thanks to Andrew Firepaw from that video. Oh, and then here's like just a little. This is not technically a glitch. This is just a very cozy place that got updated. Well, they got updated like a year ago, or wait, yeah, they got actually updated like 2 years ago. This little cozy place. You can't do much here though. All you can do is just sit here. I knew. I knew. Oops, caps. But literally, I'm just playing with my putty, and it is so addicting. Like, hold on, let's see if through the volume, can you guys hear my putty? Hold on, it's gonna be extremely quiet. You hear that? Hold on, I think this will be more hearable. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but my putty is so fans. Okay. Bye, guys. Oh, let's say bye.